Going to the welfare office. Ugh. Looks like the guy I was supposed to meet here has completely forgotten about me. Well, that's fine. I just gotta make sure that it's registered that I showed up. I tried inputting my personal registration number into that thing, but it's bugging out. So, and I tried calling him. He's not picking up, so I don't really know what to do. Alright guys, I'm done. I got a little bit of help from the nice worker I've been dealing with here when it comes to welfare. He helped me out, plot out this information that I needed to in order to still qualify for getting the money. But yeah, I'm gonna get my gear on now and get out of here. You gotta see this shit, it's so ridiculous. Check this shit out. I am a digital human. Come and talk to me. And look what happens.
Hej, mit navn er Gito. Hvordan kan jeg hjælpe dig i dag?
Hello, my name is Gito. How can I help you today? Dumb bitch. Alright guys, I feel like riding a bit longer, so instead of going back to the apartment, I got my bag here. I already have a few bottles in there, like 10 kronas worth. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gas station and see if I can't find some more. Look who I ran into. I ran into Red and his friend over there.
That's my homie. Hey.
I was gonna collect some bottles here, but there's already another guy picking up bottles. I'm just gonna let him have it. You look sweet.
That's my homie.
He looks sweet.
It is my homie. But be careful with your hand.
I'm with Marker.
He sometimes uses his horn to smack you.
Yeah.
We become friends. He used to smack me a half year.
Damn.
With his horn. Yeah.
It's dangerous.
Every time I took my hand in, smacked me.
They kill people every year. It's easy for them.
Yeah. He's weighing around what? 1.2
Yeah.
ton?
Yeah.
I think. He's a big boy, but he's not that big.
Check this out, guys. This lawn is all frozen. But this lawn over there, that's not frozen at all.
Also over there.
Yeah.
Not frozen by the side of the
yeah.
the house.
That's curious. Interesting. I just wanted to point it out.
But it is weird.
Yeah.
It is weird.
Quite peculiar. I wonder if it's about the wind or I don't know.
Just look here.
Yeah.
And up there. It's the same out here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's strange. It's like there's a border here.
Yeah.
Where the cold stops, or the cold only existed right here, actually, in this little area.
Only at this house.
Yeah.
Because on the other side of the house, no cold.
They got the ice queen living in there or some shit. It's
frozen.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Back home after hanging out with Red. It was nice hanging out with him, but I didn't end up collecting any bottles. So there's that. That's fine. I can always go collect some later if I want to go for a ride. But it's just so cold, man. My fingers are freezing. Yo, guys. I'm home. I got myself some tea. I don't remember if I told you, but I started working on a script last night. I stayed up late just to work on it. I have another channel here on YouTube with a couple of scripted videos, like where I sat down and wrote a script and, you know, put different pictures throughout the entire video that are relevant to what I'm talking about. Not exactly a video essay. But yeah, in any case, I'm making a script and it's gonna be a video about my worldview, not even worldview, my perception about the nature of reality in its very largest scale. Like, how far does everything extend outwards, you know? We're human beings here on planet Earth, in the solar system, in this galaxy hub, in the, what do you call it, galactic fabric of the universe, and further. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. It's coming along pretty nicely, but I'm gonna take a break from it. I don't really want to work on that right now. Maybe later this evening, tonight. Red talked about coming by later, so I'm definitely gonna be hanging out with him later. Hopefully, let's see. Make some homemade tomato soup from scratch, Heinz tomato soup, you know, from the can. I loved that as a kid, like alphabet pastas and that stuff. That was fire. So I'm just imitating that taste and consistency, but of course a little more premium, adding some extra spices and stuff. So yeah, that's my plan for today. I think I'm just gonna chill out a bit, drink my tea, and oh yeah, maybe I should start doing what I've been planning for a couple of days now. Now that I have some time and nothing to do exactly. It was too cold to go out collecting bottles. I hung out with Red for a while, so my hands were freezing when I got home. But maybe what I should do is to start making a list of every single component I have and exactly how much they weigh, because there's a kitchen scale here. Goes up to, I don't know, a couple of kilos maybe. So I should be able to weigh most of my stuff, put it on a list. The list, of course, is not complete. I still got stuff on the way over here, stuff I haven't gotten yet. But I want to weigh everything from my gear, my safety gear, and, you know, my person, the clothes I'm wearing, basically every single possession of mine that I'm going to be traveling with, everything in the backpack, and just see how much of these things weigh. And now I've been able to remove the bicycle pump. I still had that in the backpack. So that shaves off a bit of weight, and I'm sure I'm going to be able to remove more things. I'm actually thinking of removing the saw. It's not that it's that heavy, but realistically, I want to avoid making real fires for the most part, because I don't want to shower all the time. You have to understand, if you ever feel like you smell like a fire pit, imagine me. I got it all sitting in my hair right next to my face, and so I always get really bothered by just smelling like fireplace all the time. I'm not gonna make as many fires this summer. just for that reason. But who knows, maybe I end up traveling with more people and they like it. Like, that's kind of why it was tolerable to me when I was doing it with a Loud Friend and Mike and Kiki and Jason at times. It's a very communal thing, you know. It makes a whole lot of sense when you're doing it as a communal thing, as kind of like, oh, you hang around the fire. That's like one of the most ancient activities around, right? Just hanging around the fire, shooting the shit, telling stories, and then eventually eating. So when it's around other people, I enjoy it, but just making a fire on my own, just to save a little bit of rubbing alcohol for my spirit burner, not worth it. So I'm thinking I should probably get rid of the saw from my backpack. This thing right here. Got the backpack right next to me. I got this saw right here. And I got this from the Loud Friend as a gift. It's got these teeth right here. It's really good. It does weigh a little bit. Let's see how much it weighs. Maybe I'm just gonna start doing that now. Because I really want to, start thinking about things. I don't want to end up putting my backpack on and all of a sudden it's a lot heavier than I had imagined, or maybe I won't be able to fit everything exactly because I have more stuff now, right? So I think it's probably a good thing to be thinking about this stuff preemptively. Let's see here. 200 grams. 221 grams. I don't know. I don't know, man. Do you think it's too much? I got a lot more heavy and inefficient stuff than that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start working on that shit. Make a list. The weight of every single thing down to the gram. And just start working on reducing the weight. Because all of a sudden, I'm not going to be living in here anymore. Hopefully, sooner rather than later, I'm going to be able to go out there. But it's still too cold, guys. It's still too cold. I asked Red too. Do you think it's going to be possible early March? And he's like, man, it's probably still going to be too cold. You should probably aim for April. And I'm like, ugh, fuck, man, that's a long time from now. Yeah. I think I'm gonna work on weighing those things. Hey guys, I had some friends coming over. The final one he just left. It's 3:30. I hung out with Leah and Stoney in voice chat for a little bit. Watched a haunted hotel animated show. And yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. I can't stay up. I'm too tired. So good night, guys. Sleep tight.